Round value. Let's see how to add a command to your VS Code extension. So in my latest videos, I showed you how to make the files required for them and how to learn it. If you want to check it out, it should be linking up in the suggestion box. So to do it, you will need the two files. You will need the package.json and the extension.js. So like you can see, I have one command which is the dash hello. Let's see how to add that new thing. So to add, you can just go here and make a comma. Then open another thing and make that something called a command. Let's call it whatever you want. But you have to add your extension name first. So test dot blah blah blah. And my blah 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 is, for example, option 2. Then we want a title that should appear. So the title, and I will just call it option 2. Then like you can see it is giving us an error, so we have to add a command. Let's slide. Then in the activation event, we will add an on command. Based on command ID, we have to make sure that the first command is there. So there's no, sometimes it doesn't create it, so we have to add it ourselves. So command hello. Well, I don't know, but when I use it, I have to use and add that with option 2. So test dot option 2. So now when you go and run this extension and go into your palette, command palette, like you can see when you say option, sorry, option, sorry, option 2, you can see it, but it said not found. The reason it gives us this not found is because there's no code in it. That's how. So to do it, you can just go here, make a comment called new command. New command. Then all you need to do is just type context, then then dot subscriptions dot push, push. Then here you can add a variable, but I think there's nothing for a variable, no thing that we have. So just type VS Code dot command dot register command. Then you will open this thing, then add here the command ID, which is the ID, simply the ID. So it is test dot option 2, or you can copy it if you prefer to copy and paste it rather than like. Then you need a command and a function that will learn. So function, then this function here will open a bracket, then here you can say anything you want. For example, I will show a VS Code so an information box, so dot window dot show info box. So info formation box. Then option 2. And this is how you can add a command. It should learn now. So when I say F12 and learn it, say option 2, like you can see there's still no command for test option 2, which is weird, even though we added it. So what's the list? Till the capitalizing later. So this is why it is very important to be careful when using programming languages and little learning. So as you can see, only because the options I load it with a capital O, a small o, not a capital O. The full sentence didn't work. This is how you can add a new command, and you can do it on the thing. If you like using variable, you can use this method, but I don't like. This method is making a new let, and this let will be equal to, for example, command, and this will be equal to this code, just like here. So we'll just move it and just here command. And this should work, and this is what VS Code palette makes, like you can see here it is. This is how you can add multiple things. Thank you very much, and this is how you add a new command in VS Code, in your VS Code extension. See you soon. Goodbye.